Stupid tractor, shut up. Fuck. Hey guys, it's TravelCharles here. Hey guys, it's me, and today I have a brand new information for you, because right now I wanna do unboxing video to this beautiful product. Yes, it is Garrett Ace 200E. It's the basic metal detector with which you can find coins. Yes, that's right, it's for beginners. I'm beginner. I have had a metal detector, but it was only for $100 and it was really not so good. I only found ferros, you know, the metals, but not coins. I wanna find coins, and this is better, much better. So let's do an unboxing video and I hope you like it. Let's go. Before I start unboxing, I have to show you this beautiful shovel. Let me see, let me show you. It cost me only $10. It comes up with this beautiful pocket. This is the shovel. And that's it. You have the perfect shovel and you can dig. Nice. Nice. I totally recommend you with this thing. You will like it very much. And it's pretty easy. I wanted to say cheap. It's pretty cheap. Right now I have the correct. Yes, that's it. Let's go for the Garrett. Well, I think here. Wow, I have the brochure, international products, mods, what you can see, what you can find, manual with some clips. I don't know what's that. The owner's manual. Okay. There is the screw and something like that, you know, screw and other things. Here is Garrett metal detector. And this is the warranty. And here comes the Garrett. How can I open it? Oh man, it's there. It's that. Crack it like a little bitch. Yes. And that's it. That's it. Yes, I have it. Ah! My knees! This is the connecting pieces. Oh, I just push it away. Connecting. There. There are 3 holes on 3 buttons. Okay. With the other screw, we have the first step. We make this because it's better for your... You just push it. This is the best, so I can connect it. And you have to connect it here. There is a connection cable. Oh my god, it's too loud. Okay, so it works. It works, and that's it for this video. Okay, so that's it. That's everything for today's video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed. If yes, please like and subscribe for more videos, and I will be looking forward to next time. Have a great day, have a great night, have a great everything what you want, and see you later. Goodbye, TravelCharles.